2 and 5 on.
Oh, the sun's coming up. We have to go through security again. Okay, it seems like E23 is the one we go to. Make sure. Change is coming to IH, a new terminal. Look at that. E1 through E24. Huh.
823, right?
Oh, it's sun.
¿Dónde va, mami?
Yeah. The city. It is. It's alright. It's our plane. Airbus A319-100. Here you go. There it is. We go straight from 3 to 7 here. This is it. Wow. So this plane doesn't have IFEs, but it does have a charger. An electrical outlet. That's good. So I can charge my phone so I can still do my trip report. So this interior is old. Oh, the A319 originally came out in 1995, and no IFEs, but there is a charger, thankfully. But look at the windows. They look older.
Human service to Dallas, Fort Worth. As you find your seats, place your larger bags in the overhead bin wheels first. Please keep your smaller items and jackets with you until we found space for the larger carry-on. Small items may be placed under the seat in front of you. Just be sure they fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear.
So card with this A319. This is me doing my first trip. No, not my first, because I went to San Francisco in 2019. But my first big trip report to the Galapagos was my first big trip report on an Airbus plane. It's like,
If you are unable or prefer not to sit in the exit row, please let a flight attendant know and we'll be happy to find you another seat. Once again, welcome aboard. You boarded United Flight 1182 with service to Dallas-Fort Worth, including large electronic like laptops. Be sure your items are placed under the seat in front of you. They fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. If you're sitting in an exit row, please unplug all devices from the outlets. Flight attendants brief exits, notify purser when complete. Fasten your seatbelts, bring your seat backs up. Thank you again. You have boarded United 1182, service to Dallas-Fort Worth. Thank you. Welcome aboard.
1182. Be about 43 minutes today from takeoff to touchdown, expecting a smooth flight. And weather in Dallas is pretty much like here, just a few degrees warmer. Let's get aboard.
Will be a very short 43 minutes to Dallas-Fort Worth. We'd like to thank you Mileage Plus members for your loyalty, and to all of our customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. Safety is our top priority, so please take a minute, pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal ends into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap, lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is on. To look around in order to familiarize yourself with this aircraft. This Airbus 319 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, slides detach from the aircraft and are used for flotation. There are also 2 window exits over the wings. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 6 exits are marked with overhead signs. Nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit pass lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or an exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceiling. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on before helping. Oxygen is needed on today's flight. Remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch, tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests which will be distributed if necessary. Tobacco is not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Please bring your seat backs up, close your tray tables. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. Flight attendants, please complete your final safety checks and be seated. If you're seated in an exit row, we do encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about our flight once we're in the air.
We're backing out and the lights turned off. Here we go. two of them in Houston, IAH, and as well in DFW. There's a United Boeing 767-300 ER. Flaps are down. Spirit Airlines plane. Airbus A321-200. Well, I don't think that's the Neo.
you got to move around, just keep your seatbelts fastened on your seats. Show arrival into Dallas should be there about 5 minutes earlier, so.
So that's Corsicana over there. I looked on Google Maps, and that's Ennis. Being close. Yeah, do you have kind of... Yeah, we're heading there. Let's return. Okay, we're starting to enter the Metroplex here. That's Interstate 35 there. And that's 67. US Highway 67 there. That's US 67, Uptonville and Cedar Hill. Oh, there's Interstate 20. Dallas Executive Airport there.
Any items that you wish to discard, please pass those items to the Center Hall for collection. Thank you.
So the seatbelt sign is back on for the rest of the flight. Please help us get ready for landing by putting away your carry-on items. Make sure you are in your seat with your seatbelt fastened. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for landing. We'll be coming by to collect all remaining items, and please remember to separate your recyclables when we do come around. Thank you.
There it is. There's DFW.
having you as our guest today. On our flight, we hope to see you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Thank you again, and welcome to Dallas Fort Worth.
Those brakes were loud and everything in the plane vibrated. That was a little... This plane with that sound and the engine, like, fast and slow, and those brakes that caused the whole plane to vibrate. Yeah. The interior is old.
For our next customers, please open your overhead air vents. And if you're sitting next to a window, please open the window shades. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
The window shades. Here we are.
Excuse me, close the window shade. Thank you.
Oh, close the window shade. Gate E8. It is. Instead of baggage claim, it says bag claim. Huh. That's odd.
See if it says your flight over there. 1182 from
Yeah. So, boxes.
Yeah? They have tax on. They ship a lot of freight on airplanes.
Here come the suitcases now. There's our suitcase.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Down a little bit. Down a little bit. Just right here. So it was hot and humid in the Galapagos? Was it like 90 degrees every day?
and then Houston. We get from Dallas, Houston, Quito, Galapagos, back to Quito, Houston, and
It's crying.
Dallas.